Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. Today I will explain a little material about the conditional sentence. Okay, before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Nuraini Isnawati and my NPM 2301 3010010, and I am from the accounting major. Okay, then I will explain about 1. A brief explanation of the material. 2. Conditional sentence step 0. 3. Conditional sentence step 1. 4. Conditional sentence step 2. 5. Conditional sentence step 3. And 6. Mixed conditional sentence. Okay, next. What is the conditional sentence? Conditional sentence are compound sentences that have a condition about imagination, composition, supposition, and something that has never happened. The supposition expressed might or might not be realized. A conditional sentence consists of an independent clause and a dependent clause that usually start with the word if. The form of conditional sentence is if clause plus main clause. And if clause is a clause that is part of the supposition. And main clause is a sentence that contains the consequence of the supposition condition at the beginning of the sentence. In addition, the conditional sentence formula can also be reversed into main clause plus if clause. A conditional sentence example. First, if I save enough money, I can buy skincare. Why the conditional sentence example? Because the beginning of the sentence is an if clause, followed by the main clause. Conditional sentence example 2. I can pass the exam if I study properly. Why conditional sentence example? Because the beginning of the sentence is the main clause, followed by an if clause. Okay, next. Types of conditional sentence. The first, conditional sentence step 0. 2. Conditional sentence step 1. 3. Conditional sentence step 2. 4. Conditional sentence step 3. And 5. Mixed conditional sentence. Okay, next. The first, conditional sentence step 0. Conditional sentence step 0 used to indicate a condition in the form of a habit or a commonly occurring fact. And the formula is if plus subject plus verb 1, subject plus verb 1 plus complement. We can also use the formula if plus simple present tense plus complement. The example conditional sentence step 0. 1. If it rains, the roads will be white. 2. My father is happy if I become a class winner. Next, conditional sentence step 1. What is the conditional sentence step 1? Conditional sentence step 1 is used to indicate a condition that might occur. This can happen because it is still realistic or reasonable for the supposition to happen. And the formula is if plus subject plus verb 1, subject plus will plus verb 1 complement. Or if plus simple present tense simple present future tense plus complement. Okay, the example conditional sentence step 1. First, if we miss the try, we will have to wait for the next one. Why the example conditional sentence step 1? Because, in fact, we don't have to wait for the next try because we didn't miss the current one. Okay, example 2. Jeff will come if Shiva invites him to her birthday party. Why the example conditional sentence step 1? Because it's a fact that Jeff will come to Shiva's party if he's invited. Otherwise, Jeff might not come. Okay, next, conditional sentence step 2. Conditional sentence step 2 is used to indicate conditions that are unlikely to happen in the present and future. Second conditional sentence are perfect for expressing dreams, images, and wishful thinking. Okay, the formula, the conditional sentence step 1. If plus subject plus verb 2, subject plus verb plus verb 1 complement. Or if plus simple past tense, simple past future tense plus complement. Okay, then example conditional sentence step 2. The first, if I were the owner of the Chelsea club, I would call back Thomas Tuchel. Why the example conditional sentence step 2? Because the fact is no, I am not the owner of the Chelsea club. So there's no way I can call back Thomas Tuchel. The example 2. We will feel nervous if we meet the president. Why the example conditional sentence step 2? Because the fact that we are unlikely to meet the president, if we meet in person, we will feel very nervous. Okay, next, conditional sentence step 3. Conditional sentence step 3 is used to show a condition in the form of something that could have happened in the past. This third conditional sentence also expresses a condition that is not likely to be realized at all because the conditional expression is very improbable or just an imagination. Okay, the formula conditional sentence step 3. If plus subject plus have plus verb 3, subject plus verb have plus verb 3 complement. Or if plus simple past perfect, simple past future perfect plus complement. And the example conditional sentence step 3. First, if they had left early, they wouldn't have missed the train. Why the example conditional sentence step 3? Because the fact that they didn't leave early is the reason why they missed the train. If only they had left earlier, they wouldn't have missed the train. Example conditional sentence step 3. 2. Ria would have helped you if had asked for it. Why the example conditional sentence step 3? Because the fact that you didn't ask for help, Ria ended up not helping if you had asked for help at that time. Ria would have helped you. Okay, next, mixed conditional sentence. Mixed type or conditional sentence or type 4 is a sentence that refers to the past to show your current condition. Also vice versa. Mixed conditional applies to describe a condition in the past with your actions the present. Past condition or present result. The formula is if plus past perfect would plus this verb. And the example, if I had taken the job, I would be living in London now. The past condition or present result, the formula is if plus simple past would have plus past participle. The example is, if she were more careful, she would not have made that mistake. Okay, that's all my description of material regarding conditional sentence. Thanks for your time and attention. More or less apology. Thank you. See you soon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.